News Movement English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news.
Today is Friday. I am with you again with something special. I am going to present some facts about helmet, Meche Sandesh, care for neck, and poem in English. And if you have something in your treasure of memory, please share with us. You may contact 7501064378.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th स्टूडेंट। Get up to 50% scholarship for session 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434
Generally, youths try not to wear helmets. Sometimes they make excuses of breathing, sometimes for hairstyle. But it's very essential to wear helmets for protection, not from police but for oneself. Let us have some more facts about it. The Motor Vehicle Act of 1988 listed a number of rules or laws that must be followed by all vehicle owners and drivers. However, there are more than a handful of people that choose to bypass these laws and do as they please while driving or riding their vehicles. Section 129 of the Motor Vehicle Act is targeted at two-wheeler drivers and states that driving and riding a two-wheeler without wearing a helmet is considered a traffic violence and is an illegal offense in the country. The punishment for anyone caught without a helmet while driving and riding a two-wheeler can go up to Rs 1,000 along with the suspension of seizing of the driving license. In some several cases, the driver can be imprisoned for up to 3 months. When the Motor Vehicle Act was first prepared, the fine for driving a two-wheeler without wearing a helmet was no higher than Rs 100. With this amount in mind, offenders did not mind if they were caught and would often just pay the fine and continue breaking the law. However, when the Motor Vehicle Act was amended in September 2019, the fine was increased to Rs 1,000. Along with the fine, some states either seize or suspend the driving license of the driver, and the penalty can even fine the driver in prison for about 3 months. The latest amendment of the Section 129 rule also state that a legal helmet must be of a thickness of 20 to 25 nm, should have high quality foam on the inside. This should also be an ISI certificate of the helmet in accordance with the Bureau of Standards. What is the process if you are caught without helmet for driving? If you have never been caught or unfortunately forgot to wear a helmet, this is the process of a police officer when they catch you driving without a helmet. They will ask you to stop the vehicle on the side of the road. If they feel like you might flee, the police will seize the vehicle's key until the procedure is complete. One of the first things of the police will ask for the documentation to prove that you are legally driving the vehicle. A driving license, motorcycle papers, insurance, and other such documents are requested to ensure that no other offense is being committed. Once the verification is done, the police will prepare a challan in the name of offender along with the fine amount according to the amended Motor Vehicle Act 2019. If the police officer is using updated technology, he will prepare an e-challan that will forward it to your registered mobile number. Once the challan is handed over to or sent to your mobile number, you can make the payment online or offline. For offline, in case you want to pay the challan amount offline, you need to visit the nearest police station. Over there, you need to confirm the amount you need to pay to clear the fine. Do remember to collect the receipt after payment of the fine. For online, in case you wish to pay the fine online, the following steps need to be followed. Visit the website of the State Transport Department. Locate the section for the payment of e-challan. Once found, click on the required link for traffic challan payment. Next, enter the vehicle registration number or challan number. After that, enter the CAPTCHA code to verify that you are not a robot. Make the required payments through your credit or debit card. You can also use Paytm. Next, once the payment has been processed, you will receive a confirmation through a e-receipt. Tips to refrain from getting fined without wearing helmet for driving. When you choose to drive a vehicle, it is your duty to adhere to the rules and laws of the state and country. By following the rules, not only you save yourself from fines and penalties, but you also keep people around you safe. If you want to avoid getting an e-challan while driving for two-wheelers, here were some useful tips. For starters, don't forget to wear a legal helmet when you choose to drive a vehicle. Make sure that helmet you have is ISI certified and at least 20 to 25 thick and high quality foam padding. After, have an extra helmet in case you find yourself picking up a pillion ride. If your vehicle does not have enough space to store a helmet, buy a helmet lock and keep it on your vehicle at all the time. Buy a helmet that fits properly. If it is tight, it can cause you to hyperventilate easily, and if it is oversized, it will not keep you safe in case of an accident. Always remember to replace your helmet as soon as you find it deteriorating. If the padding is loose or scrap are broken, you need to replace the helmet immediately. As mentioned earlier, the Amendment Motor Vehicle Act updated the 5 or not wearing a helmet while driving a two-wheeler from Rs 100 to Rs 1000 in the September 2019. However, some states have taken the penalty structure into their own hands and have come up with fines and the penalties of their own. Here are fine amounts of different states in India for not wearing helmets while driving of two-wheeler. Delhi Rs 1000 and or license. Disqualification for 3 months. Maharashtra Rs 1000 and or license disqualification for 3 months. Uttar Pradesh Rs 1000. Karnataka Rs 1000 and disqualification of the license for 3 months. Punjab Rs 1000 or disqualification of the license for 3 months. Telangana Rs 200, Andhra Pradesh Rs 1000 and disqualification of the license for 3 months. The helmet challan price in UP, the fine for riding a two-wheeler without a helmet is Rs 600. Earlier, the penalty for this offense was pegged and Rs 300, but in 2019 the amount was increased to 2 times. Helmet challan price in Haryana, riding without a helmet can lead to penalty of Rs 1000. This was Rs 500 earlier, but was increased after the Amendment Motor Vehicle Act came into existence. The fine remains exactly the same even when a pillion is caught riding without wearing a helmet. Helmet challan price in Punjab, the challan amount for riding without wearing a helmet has increased from Rs 100 in the past to now 1000. More than that, even the license of the offender can be suspended for 3 months. Helmet challan price in Delhi, the challan amount for the rider of the pillion not wearing a helmet is 1000, which has been increased for Rs 100 earlier. Also, the license of the rider can be suspended for 3 months. The helmet challan in Maharashtra, if a rider or a pillion is caught using a two-wheeler without wearing a helmet, he or she can be fined for Rs 1000 along with the suspension of the license of 3 months. Earlier, the fine amount was Rs 200.
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800-258-7060.
Bengal's famous Rasgulla or Bardhaman's Mihidana has their recognition. In the same way, the matcha sandesh of Belator of Bankura district has also been demanded by the people. Food-loving Bengalis look for places of interest along with the food whenever they go. And if that food is sweet, then it doesn't matter. Tourists doing sightseeing in Bankura or Purulia district must pass the close to Belator. Do they not taste this famous matcha anymore? At least once they remember this famous sweet of Bankura. Matcha sandesh is the most famous sweet of Bankura district of West Bengal. Apart from Bankura district, this sweet was attract attention all over Bengal and even abroad. Originally, this sweet was made by moong dal and sugar and mixed with milk. The prices of this sweet was Rs10 per piece. The original author of this matcha is still not clear anywhere. Controversy about this continues even today. However, according to the matcha makers of Belator, the history of this matcha is about 1.5 or 2,000 years old. According to legends, they had received the Jamindari of Belator as a gift from the Diwan Raja of the Mala kings of Bishnupur. It was at this time that the preparation of the matcha started from the first time, and this sandesh got the title of Zamindari sweet. According to the opinion, many people say that Girish Chandra Modak, the superior of the matcha, was a sweet merchant of the Pargana. It is said that in those days, Gajan fairs centered on Baba Shiva used to be held in different parts of the district. Girish used to sell jaggery laddus there. The jaggery bag gets spoiled if kept for a long time. From them, innovation came and the making of matcha sandesh started. This famous matcha gained fame even during the English period. However, the original residence of this confectionery makers was in Belator, but now they are present in every nook and corner of the district and the state. However, whenever the history, this sweet pairing is still hard to find in Bengal in terms of taste and innovation.
Like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830.
Care of neck is very important to stop looking more aged. Some tips about it. From the time that we are young, most of us are taught how to have good hygiene and take care of our skin. We know we need to wash our face and wear sunscreen to prevent problems like acne and sunburn, which could cause much bigger issue as we get older. These are all good tips. The only problem is they don't go far enough literally. Often when attending to our skincare routine, we completely skip over our neck. This is unfortunate as the neck is the one of the most common areas that requires wrinkle treatment later in life. If you want to prevent your neck from aging faster, then the rest of your skin follow the tips. Take a collagen supplement. Collagen is a protein that occurs naturally in the connective tissue of our body. The structural protein is necessary to keep our skin tight as its fiber connects together to tighten skin and allow the skin to bounce back easily after it is pulled. But as you age, your body starts to produce less of it, leading the sagging skin. Collagen supplement in the form of pills or a tasteless, dissolvable powder that can be added to your morning cup of coffee can go a long way towards straightening the skin all over your body, including your neck. If you prefer to take a collagen pill, be sure to look for one that also included hyaluronic acid, a compound that makes it possible for the skin to absorb more water and appear more plump. Be sure to get regular exercise. There really is nothing that exercise can't make better. Studies have shown that exercising twice a week at a moderate intensity can actually help to build new layer of your skin that are thicker and more elastic. Utilize a high quality vitamin C serum. Vitamin C does wonders for your immune system, but did you know that applying it to your face and neck can drastically reduce the signs of aging? When used in conjunction with a high quality SPF moisturizer, studies have shown that vitamin C serums drastically decrease the sun's ability to damage your epidermis, which means less loose skin flapping around your neck. Eat fatty foods. Wait a second. Is not eating fatty foods going to undo all the progress you are making by getting regular exercise? Well, it all depends on what kind of fat we are talking about. Foods high in omega 3 and 6 fatty acids make it much easier for your body to produce the collagen necessary to keep your neck skin looking plump and tight for as long as possible. These omegas can be found in cold water fish, avocados, various seeds and nuts, and flaxseed oil, which is great for cold application like salad dressing. Don't forget to exfoliate. Your body has millions of skin cells and it's constantly replacing them. Every hour of your life, somewhere between 30,000 and 40,000 of these dead skin cells are shed from your body, but not all of them make it onto the floor. If you are not properly exfoliating your neck, in addition to your face, the cells can get stuck in the place, clogging your pores and making your skin look old and dull. Get some R&R, rest and retinol. The night time is a great time to supercharge your skin natural beauty and elasticity. Retinol helps unclog pores and boost collagen, reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, speed up the cell turnover, and reduce uneven pigmentations. It has been said by the Anita Sternham, founder of the Nourish Clinic in the UK. However, retinol is never something you should wear out into the sun. Apply retinol-rich products to your neck at night before bed for the today's SMS of this moment. Some people hurt me more than I deserved because I loved them more than they deserved. I dreamed that she sat by my head, tenderly ruffling my hair with her fingers, playing the melody of her touch. I looked at her face and struggled with my eyes, till the agony of unspoken words burst my sleep like a bubble. I sat up and saw the glow of the Milky Way above my window, like a world of silence on fire. And I wondered if at this moment she had a dream that rhythm with mine. To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.